Statistics. Collection of data. Statistics can be defined as a branch of mathematics dealing with collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. When a researcher himself collects his data with a concrete plan in his mind, then the data obtained is called primary data. If the data is collected by a researcher and used by someone else for his study, then the data is called the secondary data. Presentation of data. Primary or ungrouped data could be arranged in the following manner. 1. Serially or sequentially. 2. In ascending order. 3. In descending order. If the primary data is arranged in ascending or descending order of their value, then it is said to have been arranged in a tabular form. We will try to understand it with the help of an example. In a mathematics examination taken by 30 students, marks obtained out of total of 50 marks, along with their corresponding roll numbers, are given below. Write them in the following manner. 1. Serially or sequentially. 2. In ascending order of marks obtained. 3. In descending order of marks obtained. 49, 35, 15, 43, 29, 31, 22, 50, 22, 31, 29, 11, 20, 18, 22, 27, 29, 27, 27, 50, 50, 22, 50, 43, 29, 31, 43, 15, 11, 31. Solution. The given primary data or figures could be arranged in a sequential order. Data could be represented in ascending order. Data could be represented in descending order. The difference between the maximum value and the minimum value in a set of data is called the range of data. The number of times an observation appears in a set of data is called its frequency. There are two types of frequency distribution. 1. Discrete frequency distribution or ungrouped data. 2. Cumulative or grouped frequency distribution. Class interval. While arranging large amounts of data in statistics, they are generally grouped into different classes. All such classes of data are called the class intervals. The value right in the middle of class intervals is called the class mark or mid-value of the class intervals. Let us try to understand it with the help of an example. Blood groups of 30 students of class 9 are recorded as A, B, O, AB, O, A, O, B, A, O, B, A, O, A, AB, O, A, O, AB, B, A, O, B, A, B, O. Represent this data in a tabular form for n frequency distribution. Among these students, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group? Solution. Frequency distribution of the given data in tabular form is determined as follows. Frequency of blood group O is 12, which is the maximum frequency. So O is the most common blood group. Frequency of blood group AB is 3, which is the minimum frequency. So, group AB is the rarest blood group.